Hello everyone, I'm Joseph Knight, the Executive Director of Hands-On Children's Museum, located in downtown Hendersonville, North Carolina. And behind me is Terry, the museum's 16-foot-long Triceratops dinosaur. As you may know, our museum, like many others throughout the nation, is temporarily closed due to COVID-19. While these are challenging and unprecedented times we're living in, we want you to know that your museum remains committed to inspiring the next generation of scientists and engineers. To achieve this, we have a brand new and exciting way that we're going to be presenting hands-on science to children throughout Western North Carolina and beyond. We are pleased to announce the creation of the Mr. Science Guy Show. And using the magic and power of technology, we're going to transport ourselves into the newly minted Mr. Science Guy Show studio. Let's count down from 5 together and have a look around. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And just like that, you guys, we've been transported to the set of the Mr. Science Guy Show. As you may recall, we were just on location at Hands-On Children's Museum a few days prior to the governor of North Carolina issuing a shelter-in-place executive order. As the old saying goes, the show must go on. And thanks to the power of science and technology, I've transformed the dining room of my house into the studio of science.
How about that?
Which is where we'll be producing the show for the time being. The goal of the Mr. Science Guy Show is quite simple. We want to entertain and educate as many children as possible throughout Western North Carolina and beyond. Together, we're going to take chances, get messy, and use the power of science to learn all about the world around us. And it's going to be a whole lot of fun for children of all ages, and grown-ups too.
Woohoo!
The best part of all is that the Mr. Science Guy Show will be free for all to enjoy. The Mr. Science Guy Show is one of the many ways that Hands-On Children's Museum promotes STEM education throughout Western North Carolina. Our fun and exciting programs are designed to captivate the imagination, stimulate the mind, and ignite wonder, with the goal of inspiring children to become future scientists and engineers. None of this will be even remotely possible without the generosity of our amazing donors and our stellar corporate and small business sponsors. As I mentioned already, the Mr. Science Guy Show will be free for everyone. And all I ask is that you consider donating $5 to our new Science for Kids initiative. Or you can donate $10 or $50 or more. It's totally up to you. Proceeds from this fund will help us create cool science content for the show, in addition to helping us reopen the doors of the museum. Donating is easy. You can go to handsonwnc.org/donate, or you can text the code HANDSON to the number 44321. New episodes will be premiering weekly on our YouTube channel, website, and Facebook page. You can find those links in the description below. So until then, stay positive, stay healthy, be sure to wash your hands. We'll see you on the next adventure.